Good afternoon guys and welcome back. So back out again with another Jeep hack. So this time we're creating a bit more vision through the front, just so you can see that trail in front of you. That's not really a trail, I can see that, it's just the road because we've just finished work. But when you're out on the trail you want to have as much vision as possible. We've already got such a small vision, Jeep didn't really give us a very big windscreen to play with. Also if you're running aftermarket tyres with your spare, your vision is very limited through the back. So this is going to create a bit more vision for you guys that have aftermarket tyres. As you can see through there, I just have a tiny little factory spare. Now you guys can hate on me in the comments if you want, but yeah, you can. But for the people that have 35s, 37s, 40s and stuff, this will create a bit more vision for you guys. And the people that have tiny little spares as well. So all you want to do is grab your rear vision mirror and flip it all the way around, and look at that, that's created a whole different ball game. Look, we'll do it again so you guys can see the before. So that's blocking out a lot of vision. Before on the back as well. As you can see, like the headrest kind of come halfway. Now if we flip that around, line that up, and that comes down a lot lower, and you got a lot more field of vision in front of you as well. So that's pretty much it guys, super simple. That way you can see the trail in front of you or the road, whatever it might be, and you can see all the trucks you've just passed on the trail as well that aren't Jeeps maybe, or you just want a bit more vision because you got bigger spare tyres than what I do. Unfortunately I've just got a little baby spare, but that's pretty much it guys, super simple, took less than like 2 seconds to flip that around. So really simple. If you guys like these little Jeep hacks, smash that like button down below. If you like these videos, smash that subscribe button as well. Maybe comment below what your thoughts are on these little Jeep hacks. If you want me to make more, please let me know. If you want me to make any video in particular, let me know as well. But that's pretty much it for today guys. Super simple, really easy, 100% free, which we absolutely love on this channel. And it's created a massive difference. We can actually see a lot more. It helps so much, especially seeing that trail in front of you. You got better view of vision, pick your lines better and stuff like that. And see those trucks you've just passed on the trail as well. Give them a nice wave. But that's it for today guys. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.